Stop, mister. I think you watched this video and I will talk about in this video correct pronunciation of American accent speaking English. Subscribe this channel, please request me and I will teach you. You watch this video. Let's go.
I don't understand how you didn't win state because if what you just ran was easy when you run hard, it must be pretty fast.
Well, I ran track in the spring and I've been training since the season ended, so I'm in good shape.
Alright. I don't understand how you
I don't understand how you very fast this word pronounce how you. I don't is a contraction. This two word do not. Then you pronounce like exact one word don't. I don't understand understand how you. I don't understand how you. I don't understand how you.
I don't understand how you 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 didn't win state because of
Didn't win state because of didn't didn't is a contraction. This two word did not. Then you pronounce like one word didn't win state because of look at this word pronunciation because of. Very fast this word pronounced like a native speaker because of not break this two word pronunciation because of. Actually this word pronounced because of. Yeah.
you didn't win state because 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 of what you just ran.
What you just ran what you just actually this word pronounced just, but American people use this word just just ran what you just ran.
What you just ran what you just ran what you just ran what you just ran was easy when you run hard.
Was easy when you're in hard. Was easy when you're in not break this two word pronunciation. You're in hard was easy when you're in hard. When you're in hard.
Was easy when you run hard 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 it must be pretty fast.
Must be pretty fast. Must be pretty fast. Must be pretty fast. Pretty. Look at this word pronunciation. Pretty fast. Pretty. Very fast and very tricky pronunciation in this word. Pretty fast. Pretty fast. Must be pretty fast.
Must be pretty fast. Must be pretty fast. Must be pretty fast. Must be pretty fast.
Well, I ran track in the
Well, I ran track in the. Well, I ran. Well, I ran very fast and not break this two word pronunciation. I ran track in the track in the. Well, I ran track in the very fast this two word pronunciation in the I ran track in the.
well, I ran track in the 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 spring and I've been
Spring and I've been spring ing ending this word spring and I've been look at this word pronunciation and and I've been, and I've. Actually, this word were nouns, and but American people use this word and sometimes use this word and, not pronounce this letter D, pronounce and I've been, and not break this two word pronunciation and I've been.
Spring and I've been spring and I've been spring and I've been spring and I've been training since the season.
Training since the season. Training. Training. Ing ending this word. Training since the. Since the. Look at this word pronunciation. The. Very fast this word pronounced like a native speaker. The. Since the season. Since the season. Since the season. Season. Training since the season. Training since the season.
Training since the season and training since the season and training since the season and training since the season ended, so I'm in good shape.
Ended, so I'm in good shape. Ended, so am in. So I am in. Actually, normal speaker English, this word pronounced so I am in. But like a native speaker, this word pronounced so am in. So am in good shape. Look at this word pronunciation, shape. This word not pronounce this word shape. This word pronounce shape, up and down. This word pronunciation shape.
Ended, so I'm in good shape. Ended, so I'm in good shape. Ended, so I'm in good shape. Ended, so I'm in good shape. Alright.
She pronounced this word is very fast. Alright. Alright. Right. Look at this word pronunciation all. Actually, this word pronounce all, but not pronounce this word all. This word pronounce letter A sound up. All right. All right.